5 most underrated fast cars. When I mean fast cars, I'm not comparing these cars to the terms of Ferrari, Lamborghini, and co. But these are cars that can't be compared to your regular C300, your Camry V6, your Honda Accord, your BMW, your regular ones. These are cars that pushes out at least 300 horsepower and above. So that whenever you face all these ES350 boys or these Camry V6 boys or all these regular C300 boys, you will dust them easily. The first one is the Infiniti M56, the 2013 version. This car is as if nobody talks about it in Nigeria. But this car moves like a rocket. It pushes at least 400 horsepower. Yes, it's that fast. But nobody talks about it in Nigeria. So if you're looking for a fast car that was not that expensive, Infiniti M56. The second one is the Acura TL, the 2012 upward, the all-wheel drive version, not the two-wheel drive. This car has about 3.7 liters V6 engine, pushes about 305, 306 or thereabouts horsepower. This car is very fast. So any ES350 boy, regular C300, all this small BMW, go dust them. It's a very underrated car. The third one, Lexus IS350. I know say now a lot of you be happy and you can relate to this. Lexus IS350, not IS250, 350. It has a V6 engine, 3.5 liters, which is at least 303 horsepower. Yes, it will dust any regular Lexus. The Lexus boys, you know what I mean. It's underrated, but those that know, they know. The fourth one, GS350. Yes, now Lexus people are winning. They can relate to this now properly too. It's the 2013 upward though. The regular 3.6 liters V6 engine pushes about 305 horsepower. The reason why I prefer this car than 2013 ES, 2014, 2016 ES 350 is because of the handling, and it's sportier to me and has more luxury features than the regular ES 350, and it's that fast under the hood. So before we move to the last one, if you like to see other lists like this, click the follow button, and if you want me to compare some other cars for you, let me know in the comment section. So the last one is Nissan Maxima. This car, as Nigerians today look and less than overlook them. I don't really blame people much. It's because of the GR and electrical issues that it develops very fast. This car comes with regular 3.5 liters V6 engine, but pushes about 300 horsepower. Yes, that's the 2018 version, 300 horsepower, which is still pretty fast than the regular V6 engines. Bye.